guys, welcome to the Science and Tech series PYQ questions. This question is from the 2025, and this question is related to the AI Action Summit 2025 that is held in the Grand Palais Paris. Okay, now let's dive in our questions. First, the okay, first let's read to the questions. Okay, then we try to answer it. And listen guys, before going to answer this question, and try to answer by yourself first. Okay, try to pause this video and try to answer by yourself, or else comment in the action to comment in the comment section answer. Okay, let's go. Consider the following statement regarding the AI Action Summit. First one, co-chaired with India, the event built on the advance made at the Bletchley Park Summit in 2023 and the Seoul Summit in 2024. Second one, along with other countries, the US and UK also signed the Declaration on Inclusive and Sustainable AI. Which of the following statement given above is correct? Statement A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one or not two. Yeah, guys, please pause this video and try to answer by yourself. And also analyze how this question they framed. Okay, they framed and on basis of what things they are framing and how their options are framing also. Okay, even the according to the my analysis, what is the main things we have to know means current update means nowadays AI technology very huge in um, very huge the playing huge role, okay, in every sector, and everything we need everything for AI. For it is a main important point. First one, AI is very important, okay, we get. And any summit related to the AI we have to know. Yeah, from the first 2023 happened, that is Bletchley Park Summit in 2023, and 2024 Seoul Summit also happened. These two are related to the AI only. So they are also held that in 2025 also, that is AI Action Summit. Okay, they're Paris only. This means we have to know some the recent and the previous summit of these questions, and then it will help to eliminate the answer. Here let's see how it will help. Co-chaired with India, and the event built on the advance made at means we need to know the AI Action Summit. Okay, that is it is the advanced section of the this summit, the Blitzpark Summit in 2023 and the Seoul Summit in 2024. Yeah, guys, if we get to know the sequence, Seoul Summit held in 2024 and in 23 is Blitzpark Summit. Both these are related to the AI, and if we know the AI Action Summit held in 2025, then we can know that this AI Action Summit is advanced, has advanced features than these two. Then we can go through it is a correct option, and try to analyze here what are the countries' role here. They are signed or not, and which countries are playing most important role in this summit, and like that. The second one, try to know this how they are asked it. Along with other countries, the US and UK also signed. Okay, they are means they are stressing their US and UK means they are highly developed country, and they are asking us US and UK are signed it or not. And that signed Declaration of Inclusive and System. Its main aim of the AI Action Summit is the inclusive and sustainable AI. Okay, and the both US and UK also signed. They are asking means they are these two countries are not signed. Because of this reason they asked means the highly developed country not signed this summit, this mission. It played a important role means major important role we have to know in the current, okay, current affair. And we have to know AI related everything. Please, if you are preparing for 2027, get to know everything about the AI. Okay, I hope guys you get this clarity, and answer of this question is A, one only. One only is because US and UK are not signed. Okay, I will let you know in the. Okay, see guys here. AI Action Summit Paris 2025. Our key outcomes are the next here. Let me know the building on the past summit. What are the past summit here offhand? That is Bletchley Park 2023. The focus on the Dams Day AI risk. This is focused on the Dams Day AI risk. Okay. The Bletchley Declaration signed by 2025, including US and China. Here signed including US and China also signed. Okay. Sorry guys. And here, Seoul Summit 2024, all companies pledge to transparent AI development. Here, main important is all companies need to pledge to transparent AI development. And here, Paris 2025 highlight that. Here, what they highlighted, giant statement on inclusive and sustainable AI. What are the highlighting of the summit also we have to know. Okay, inclusive and sustainable AI for the people and the planet. They signed 58 countries including India. Okay, but they not signed by US and UK. Okay, not signed by US. The US and UK did not sign the inclusive AI declaration. But this 2025 focus on equity, ethics, and global cooperation. Just remember this, guys. I think it will help you in the next year questions how they can frame. And okay, let me know in the comment section it is helping or not.